Hello everyone, you're welcome again to the New Tech channel. In this next video, I'll be showing you how you can add Deepseek as an app on your Windows PC. Now, if you go to the Microsoft Store, you'll notice that the Deepseek app is not readily available. So I'm going to show you an alternative method that you can use to add the Deepseek app to your Windows PC as an app. So the first thing you want to do is to go to the Deepseek website on your Chrome browser, and once you're on the site, just come to the three vertical ellipses on the top right corner of your screen and click on it, and scroll down to Cast, Save and Share. As you hover over on that, you'd see this option that says Install Page as App. So just go ahead and click on that, and then you see the pop-up that says Install this page as an app. So just go ahead and click on Install, and you can see right there that Deepseek has been added as an app already. So if you'd like to have that pinned, just go ahead and say yes. You can see it's already pinned to the taskbar. So that's how to go about adding Deepseek to your Windows as an app. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.